Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will show you how to make cute miniature tasty charms. This is tasty toast with avocado and egg. My favorite croissant with cream and strawberry. And miniature Starbucks cocktail. So support me, give me big thumbs up and subscribe on my channel. I really tried to make this video, so let's start. Take lid from pan. Cut off pots. Take hot glue and make bottom. Fix it with super glue. I printed out this logo, cut out and stick it to the glass. Take water, add acrylic paint and olive oil. Put stars inside. This is watermelon Fimo stick. I hope everything was clear for you. If you have any questions, please write in the comments. Make croissant. color with soft pastel. Actually, this could not be done, and after baking, color it with acrylic paint. So need to put it in refrigerator for 2-3 minutes and cut in half. Make piece of toast. Make a texture. Bake in oven. Paint with acrylic paint. Polymer clay mix with liquid clay. And I have last pieces of strawberry fimo stick, but that's enough for me. You know, I find these silicone balls I used for shoes or clothes, they're usually put inside, but I'll put it on the toast, and it will be caviar. Bake in oven. Cover with varnish. And put space. I took really space. On croissant I put coconut flakes. That's all! Write in the comments what charms you liked more. I like croissant so much, because this is my favorite sweet. So I'm waiting your comments and see you soon. Bye!